A very good morning to all those who have tuned in. We are coming live to you from Swarnim International School on the immensely special day, our Independence Day. We welcome you all to the celebrations of the 74th Independence Day of our nation. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, ज़रा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी, ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी. Dear parents, children and viewers, we are fighting a pandemic now. The COVID warriors, our doctors, nurses, hospital staff, our police force and the other frontline workers, even the humble clean vegetable seller. They are braving all the odds and trying to keep us alive. A big salute to all of them. But, dear audience, let's not forget the sacrifice of each and every life that was laid down to achieve this freedom, as we are enjoying every second of our lives. Let our hearts be forever indebted to these souls for our very existence. Our independence is more than 70 years old, but let not that glory and that sheen of sacrifice of our warriors of the freedom struggle go dull in any way. We bow and thank from the depths of our hearts to all of them. Now, I request our headmistress, Ms. Rumtumi Bishash, to hoist the flag.
Is it 9 o'clock?
Is it 9 o'clock, ma'am?
Just say we will hoist it at 9.
Dear audience, we'll just wait for a minute because we will hoist the flag at 9 o'clock. Few more seconds to go.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय
I would request our headmistress ma'am to please come up and say a few words to our viewers.
Namaste. Heartiest greetings on the 74th Independence Day. We are missing you, dear children, but in this new situation, safety and prevention are the priorities. But we are lucky that technology has kept us connected. On this day every year, we remember and pay tribute to the great leaders and martyrs who sacrificed their lives to build a country which is diverse yet united, which is free not only from the shackles of colonial rule, but also free from greed, discrimination, dishonesty, corruption, and a country which is Sare Jahan Se Acha. But in these 73 years, we have not been able to realize all the dreams and ideals of those who laid down their lives for us. We have achieved many things as a nation, but we still have miles to go. This pandemic has brought us to a stop. We have been forced to take a break from the mindless race we were running, and in the process, we have harmed the environment and eroded humanity. It said stop. S for stop, T for take a break and think, O, observe objectively, and P, plan and proceed for a better, healthier, lovelier world. We all hope that we resume our normal lives very soon, but we must remember our lessons from the current situation. New words, new terms like social distancing, home isolation have not only been added to our vocabulary but have actually made us rethink. Weren't we more isolated before the pandemic? Each one to his own? Weren't we more socially distanced? We had contacts, but we hardly had any connection. Last 5 months, families have been together. Yes, there are hardships, lot of hardships, but there are a few positives too. They are facing those together. And let's dwell on those positives and make those our way of life. I would like to share an incident with you. 2 days after the super cyclone Amphan hit our city, one of our support staff from the school called me to inquire how I was. I said I was good, only my internet was not working, and asked her how she was. She told me quite chirpily, "Madam, we are fine. Only the roof of my house was blown off in the storm and the right wall had collapsed. Please take care of yourself, madam." She taught me many things with this one response. The pandemic has been a great leveler too. We have understood and recognized the immense and the selfless contribution of health workers at all levels. The doctors, nurses, paramedics, cleaners, sweepers, and many more who have risked their lives to save others and save the nation at large. We thank them from the bottom of our hearts. The schools are closed, but learning continues. Home-school partnership has never been stronger before. Teachers and parents share the same space and have transformed their teaching and parenting styles and roles to look after their children. Let this partnership thrive on mutual respect and integrity. Digital literacy is all pervading now. 2-year-olds to 80-year-olds, we are all handling technology with ease. So that is what pandemic has taught us. Adversity brings out the best in us. Let us put our best foot forward. Let us not be scared, but befriend the storm. Tagore said, "Jhor ke ami korbo mite, dorbo natar bhrukutite." We will not be scared. We will overcome the bad and emerge more resilient and more responsible. On this Independence Day, dear children, let us pledge that we will strive to make our India the happiest country, the country where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Mahatma Gandhi had said, "If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, if even I may not have it at the beginning." Children, we believe you can do it. So learn, acquire knowledge, train yourselves to serve the country and make it the best in the world. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for always inspiring us. I would like to call upon Ms. Sudarshana Ganguly. She would be presenting for us a medley of songs. Ma'am.
Thank you, Varnu ma'am. Very good morning to you and happy Independence Day. In this Independence Day, I want to sing songs of hope, of love and of freedom. ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तो, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. Land of our birth, we pledge to thee our love and toil in the years to be, when we are grown and take our place as men and women with our race. Father in heaven, who lovest all, oh help thy children when they call, that they may build from age to age an undefiled heritage. Teach us to look in all our ends, O thee for judge and not our friends, that we with thee may walk uncowed by fear or favor of the crowd. Land of our birth, our faith, our pride, for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee head, heart and hand through the years to be. বঙ্গ আমার জননী আমার ধাত্রী আমার আমার দেশ, কেন গো মা তোর শুষ্ক আসন, কেন গো মা তোর রুক্ষ কেশ, কেন গো মা তোর ধুলায় আসন, কেন গো মা তোর মলিন বেশ, সপ্তকোটি সন্তান যার ডাকে উচ্চে আমার দেশ, কিসের দুঃখ কিসের দৈন্য, কিসের লজ্জা কিসের ক্লেশ, সপ্তকোটি মিলিত কণ্ঠে ডাকে যখন আমার দেশ। যদিও মা তোর দিব্য আলোকে ঘেরে আছে আজ আধার ঘোর, কেটে যাবে মেঘ নবীন গরিমা, ভাতিবে আবার ললাটে তোর, আমরা ঘুচাবো মা তোর কালিমা, মানুষ আমরা নহিত মেষ, দেবী আমার সাধনা আমার স্বর্গ আমার আমার দেশ, কিসের দুঃখ কিসের দৈন্য, কিসের লজ্জা কিসের ক্লেশ, সপ্তকোটি মিলিত কণ্ঠে ডাকে যখন আমার দেশ, সপ্তকোটি মিলিত কণ্ঠে ডাকে যখন আমার দেশ। জয় হিন্দ।
Land of our birth, our faith, our pride, for whose dear sake our fathers died. O motherland, we pledge to thee head, heart and hand through the years to be. Wasn't it a wonderful performance, dear viewers? Please give her big likes and type in your appreciations in that comment section. Thank you, Sudarshana ma'am, for that wonderful performance. Coming up next, may I invite Ms. Mo Bhattacharya to give a dance performance. Simply gorgeous. That was an amazing performance by Mo ma'am. Yes, viewers, keep your likes and appreciation coming for Mo ma'am. Thank you. With that, we come to the end of today's program. Let us all unite and shout out loud.
Children, those who have joined in and everyone else, please say after me, Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Jai Hind! Thank you, parents, children, and our esteemed viewers for joining in. Have a good day. Jai Hind.